Step 1 to make money with Google is to sign up to this platform. Step 2, use Google, and step 3, make money now. For whatever reason you click on this tutorial, whether it is because you want to earn some extra money online to save up for some nice experiences or to buy something you've never had enough money to buy, or whether you're just collecting this tutorial because you want to build an actual online business that lasts and can potentially replace your full-time job, whichever reason is, I know that this video is for you because I've made this tutorial in a way that anyone can follow and implement all the steps, and you will get to choose whether you want to spend some more time working on this and hopefully turn this into a profitable long-term online business, or whether if you will want to spend a little bit of time of your free time on this and then just earn an extra money online. But either way, I want to be 100% honest with you from the start and remind you that if you're not willing to follow through this entire step-by-step tutorial, and if you are going to impulsively skip parts and not even complete all the steps, then this is not gonna work for you, and you can click off this video right away because then it's not gonna be useful for you. So if you can sit down and you can watch the entire video step by step, then the chances are that you won't be able to sit down and do the work that we'll be talking about on this video. So just feel free, if that's the case, feel free to click off the video because this way you're gonna save your time. But on the other side, if you can go through this entire tutorial and pay close attention, follow all the steps and don't skip off anything, and then go implement all the steps that we are going to be talking about, then clicking on this video can be one of the best decisions you have ever made so far. Okay, so I guess that obviously everybody knows Google, and Google is a platform that has got over 90 billion visits every single month. We all use Google on the daily basis, but let me ask you something. How many people do you think are actually making money with Google? I suppose that not a lot of them, because Google is the biggest search engine in the world and is the most visited website on the internet. It has over 90 billion consistent visitors every single month. And if you're using Google daily, let me know in the comments down below, because I personally use it every single day multiple times. So with that said, I'm gonna show you how you can benefit from this strategy so you can be one of those who actually make money with Google. Now, I also want to show you how people all over the world are making money with this strategy. So without any more delay, let me take you to the computer and show you to this strategy. But before doing that, if you like this type of videos, just give me a massive like so I can keep bringing you the latest strategies on digital marketing so you can start making money from now. So the first website which I would like you to come to today for today's strategy, as you can see, is Google. I'm sure that Google is a website that every one of you have used before, so I want to show you that a website that you use on the daily basis. If we go into similar web, I want you to see what's the volume, and you can see that has got like nearly 90 billion visits per month, which is actually incredible. So in today's strategy, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make money from Google and being like the middle person on a project. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it step by step. So the first thing I would like you to do is I would like you to come to Google actually and put how many cities are in the world, and you can see that there are 10,000 cities in the world. So what I like you to do is I want you to choose one city. Okay, so choose your city, and that's the city that you're gonna focus on for today's strategy in order to make money. So the next thing that I want you to check is how many registered businesses are in the world, and you can see that the estimation is approximately 213.65 million companies in the world worldwide. Okay, so you're gonna have to choose which city and which type of sector that you would like to work with. Okay, and once that you do that, then let's move into the next step. So the next step is I've already selected which city, which is gonna be Miami, and which niche I'm gonna go for the gym industry. Okay, so once that you click that in Google, you actually gonna see all the different businesses that appear. Okay, and then you can see, you can actually check the reviews, and then if you go to each of the websites, then you're gonna see what have they got going on. So let's have a look at some of these businesses, and then let me show you, let's have a look at the social media and see if there are ways where you could actually help them with their business, because you can have to keep into consideration that these businesses are very easy most of the time, so they're not gonna have time to do extra things. So let's go and let's check, for example, how is the Instagram, how many followers they have, and let's see if you could provide any value to them. Okay, so it has got 2,000 followers, so definitely there is room for improvement. And then as well, you can check the posts and you can see how frequently they're posting, because for certain platforms they should be posting, you know, as regularly as other platforms. For example, here you can see September the 23rd, it was the last time that they actually posted something, so this is actually not really good. So you can see that they might need some help, and this is where you come into place. You can see this is where you could actually send them a message here, or you could send them an email, or you could just you know, give them a call and then just tell them that this is something that you could do for them. I'm gonna show you what you can do is you could manage their social media, and they're gonna pay you for that, and you can do that without even doing the work yourself. So once that you get in touch with them and you tell them that you're actually going to help them to scale up the business, then you can actually, you know, as I said, you can go to different companies and do the same. You can even do a list on Google Sheets, so then you can keep track of every single business that you contact. And once that you do that, once that you have the business that you have in mind, the next thing that you want to do is you will want to go to another website, which is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a great website where you can actually outsource the services in different things. So this could be like digital marketing, this could be like any other type of thing that you could think of, really, Instagram or Facebook. Because what's gonna happen, if you charging these businesses a minimum of $500, $600, you could come to this website and actually charge them half of that, which will be just $250. So it will be great, because you'll be able to make like half of the money, $250, where you don't have to pay for ads or anything. This is money for you, and if you do it for few businesses, this will definitely add up. And the most important thing of this is like you don't have to pay any money to do it. Okay, so then you can actually go to, you know, another website which I want to show you is you can go to guru.com, and guru.com is another website you can find freelancers and they can actually do the job for you. You know, you could go into sales and marketing, then you need to register like a company, and then it will be able, you know, to give you the option to be able to hire one of these professionals. And then what I will advise you to do is I will advise you to go have a look at what reviews they have and see which are the best professionals, so you could actually hire them. Another website which I would like you to share is Upwork. Okay, so for example, if you come to Upwork, then you're gonna see that there is you can actually, you know, browse by candidates, and you can see that you know, there's people all over the world. For example, if you put here digital marketing, you're gonna see that there are people all over the world in so many different countries that they could do a good job for you. And the only thing you need to do is just look at the reviews and make sure that they actually know they know what they're doing. So, you know, you can see, like, you can search as well on this website by the hourly rate. So then you can say $10 or below. You can as well search by the success that these people have had, and then you already, so in one side you are contacting companies, and on the other side you hiring someone to do a service for you. And obviously, if you have like 10 companies, you already you know, you charge them like to start with $500, and then you're making $200 in profit. That will be already $2,500, which is actually really good. Obviously, the more experience you have, the more you will be able to get charged, and then you'll get referrals for other businesses, and then you will be able to increase your prices. Okay, but obviously, what's going to happen, one of the handicaps that you're going to face once that you reach out to these people and you call them, they're going to want to know something about you, because otherwise they might think that it's a scam. So you need to build your brand online. So obviously this is not going to be as easy as just contacting random businesses and then they're going to give you the money. That doesn't work like that. You're going to have to build your brand, and there are different ways that you can do it, and I'm going to show you the ones that are the more cost effective. Okay, so first of all, you could actually go to a page like we said, like for example Fiverr, and then Fiverr, what you could do is you could actually register there and place a gig. Okay, so once that you place your gig, you can have like different, like for example this person has got basic, standard and premium. Okay, so then once that, if they want to know more information about you, what you could do is you could send your profile to these businesses for them to actually check it out. Okay, so this is actually you know, a good way that if you start to get gigs here and they can see the reviews and the work that you have done, this will be very good for your brand. And I would say this is the easiest way, because then you won't have to build a whole website or anything like that. You will just need to you know, create your gig here, and then you can send them your profile. Another way of doing it is by going to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is my best software to creating landing pages. Very simple, straightforward, and then you could connect your domain there, have your brand, and have a beautiful landing page where you could actually tell more about your services and so on. So then you can have more of a presence online, and then this business is gonna know that you are real. So here you go, a 40-day free trial. So if you click on the link of the descriptions, there I have a lot of information about ClickFunnels, and before signing up to ClickFunnels, I will advise you that you actually know what you're doing. So there are some books and information that you will find on the description, and you can go into the 14-day challenge. So I will you know, advise you to just go into the ClickFunnels challenge that you can see on the link on the description. So click on it, and then this will actually set you up to be able to build like basic like beautiful landing page for your business. Okay, so I know, so the first way and the easiest way will be Fiverr, and then you could create your own landing page. Okay, so you have to keep into consideration as well that when you're contacting these businesses, if you send them the email, they want to know a professional email address. It's not gonna be enough just with john123@gmail.com, because that looks very scammy. So you could come to a website like G Suite, and then for $10 or $15 per month, then you can have your professional you know, you can have professional email addresses, and you can have up to 3 or 4, which is more than enough for the $15 plan. And I highly recommend it, because then it's just basically G Suite is Gmail. So you just have to, you could connect it to your phone, and then you have your Gmail account as normal. But when you send emails, you will send them with a specific you know, a specific name with your company branding on the email. Okay, so you will be look much more presentable. So this is all that I wanted to show you for today's strategy. As you can see, there's a huge opportunity for many businesses that you can actually contact and make profit from this. Like you could get like $2,000, $3,000 per month. So the only thing I will tell you is you need to take massive action, you need to be organized, and you need to be able to be consistent. If you're not consistent, nothing in life is going to happen. So the most important thing is you take massive action, and then it is a numbers game. So the more companies that you contact, the higher the chances of someone contacting you back and wanting to do business with you. And with that said, as well, branding is really important. So you want to make sure that you have your branding in place, you have your Fiverr gig, and at least you have your landing page set up already. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, just give me a massive like, because that will really help for the channel to keep growing, and for me to bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing, on how you can make money online. So I hope that you have a good day and a great week ahead, and I will come very, very soon with the latest strategies on how you can make money from home. So I hope that you are very successful, and take care.